In the battle against SARS-CoV-2, masks have become an indispensable weapon. Over the last 1 year, Indian scientific institutes and startups have developed many kinds of masks to help fight the virus. However, these masks also pose a problem in the identification of the user. They obscure the facial expressions of the wearer, which might also add to the security threat at various places. Therefore, people do need to remove their masks to confirm their identity, and this might increase the chances of infection. Recognizing such issues relating to the opaque masks, CSIR's Chandigarh-based Central Scientific Instruments Organization has come up with an innovative solution. Researchers at the CSIR lab have developed a transparent mask. This mask protects against coronavirus without masking anyone's facial identity.
इस तरह का मास्क ना केवल हमारे आपस की बातचीत के लिए, बल्कि जबकि आप कई जगह देखते होंगे डॉक्टर पेशेंट या जहाँ पे बात करते हैं, कई बार पेशेंट के फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से उनको पता चलता है कि इनको क्या तकलीफ़ है, तो उसमें भी ये बहुत कारगर हो सकती है। दूसरा ये है कि सिक्योरिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जब हम आप देखते होंगे एयरपोर्ट पे जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमें मास्क उतारना पड़ता है, तो अगर इस तरह के मास्क रहे तो देखने में भी आसानी होगी। और तीसरी बात ये कि अगर हम देखें कि जो बोल नहीं सकते हैं वो तो साइन लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते हैं, तो अगर हम उनको ये मास्क दें तो उनके साइन लैंग्वेज के साथ वो बात कर सकेंगे और उनको बहुत ही आसानी होगी बातचीत करने में।
This mask was also presented to Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, who visited CSIO last month. The Union Minister not only used this mask but also appreciated the efforts made by CSIO scientists in finding solutions to different problems.
This is very specially developed through a very nice casting process by the scientists, where she ends up with this very nice nanoporous sheets which are breathable, so air can go through, come in. Even water vapor goes through and come in, and so because of that, the mask doesn't fog up.
It is easy to manufacture transparent masks using plastic, but such masks make breathing difficult and also lead to fogging. Moreover, a mask made out of plastic can be used only once, thus ending up in landfills and harming the environment. Taking into account all these aspects, CSIO research fellow Sunita Mehta and her team modified a biocompatible polymer to develop a transparent material. These transparent masks allow for easy breathing and also get rid of the problem of fogging. To top it all, these masks are reusable and can be used multiple times.
I started with a polymer which is already available in a normal material science laboratory. I modified that polymer in such a way that it is breathable, and after that in order to resolve the problem of anti-fogging, I applied an anti-fogging coating on the inner side of this face mask after applying some surface treatment. And this polymer is also having an intrinsic property of hydrophobic, which basically prevents any water droplets containing infectious bacteria or the viruses to enter into the nose and mouth. So, and in addition to that, this material, this mask that we have prepared, it can be easily cleaned by using a sanitizer or a normal soap solution, and it is completely reusable.
This research has also been supported by scientists from the Department of Science and Technology's Institute of Nanoscience and Technology in Mohali, CSIR's Central Food Technological Research Institute in Mysuru, and the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. This is an innovative, one-of-its-kind solution for problems caused by face masks during this very trying time. Industries associated with this sector can use this technology to mass produce transparent face masks on a large scale.